Yo, what's up guys? In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix the sorry you have been blocked error you're getting when you're trying to use ChatGPT on your PC or mobile device. Now, it's pretty easy to fix, so this should be a pretty quick tutorial. For more information on this fix, click the link in the description below. Now, first of all, you just want to open up ChatGPT, because this error is usually caused by a VPN connection masking your location, or by the OpenAI site data stored on your browser, or because your other browser-related issues, such as your extension. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to make sure we disable our VPN connections if we currently have any. And so how you do this, you go to your Windows settings, navigate to network and internet, and then you select a VPN and make sure it is disabled. Now, next you want to open up your browser of choice. In this case, I'm going to be using Google Chrome, and network to your browser settings. Here's my privacy settings section for the site settings, cookies, and site data. Now, once we are here, what we want to do is all we have to do is select the option that says see all data and permissions. Now, how you do this is you can search for this just by searching for openai.com and proceed to delete the site for data and cookies. You'll be required to refresh the page and log back into your account, like so. Now, once you log back into your account, this should fix the sorry you have been blocked error for most users. However, if the problem permits, what you want to do instead is you just want to then make sure to disable your browser extensions, especially those that can alter your network connection or those that work with ChatGPT. How you do this, you just click on the extensions icon and select the manage extensions in the top right hand corner. It'll pop up a tab like here, and what you want to do is you just simply disable all extensions related to OpenAI page. Lastly, you might want to use a VPN if ChatGPT is still blocked in your region or on your network if this is your school, for example. And how you do this is you just want to download Pronto VPN, which I will link in the video description below, so you can get this VPN for free, which should be the final fix to fix this ChatGPT error if you are still getting it. Now, these steps will be available in the description below for a more extensive guide linked in the description. If you found this video helpful, leave a like down below.